Welcome to Bamfordrose and another forum chat. This week I've picked up a chat about upgrading a clutch and flywheel. It's on a V8, and the owner has identified that not necessarily clutch performance is detracting from his driving enjoyment, but it's the relatively high biting point of the clutch pedal. Instead of being closer to the floor, the bite point is further up the pedal, and you've sort of got to contort your ankle and foot a little bit to achieve that clutch press. And whilst it's not a completely alien driving position, I sort of get where this guy is coming from. Then reading further through his post and lots of comments, I don't get at all where he's coming from. He only wants to fit factory parts and doesn't want to consider any independent or aftermarket option. And considering the age of these cars now, certainly the Generation 1 V8 Gaydon car, these cars should surely be passed to the independent world now. The franchise dealer is the wrong place to get any sort of bespoke works like this done. In answer to this particular question, if you just buy the AMR clutch upgrade, put it on, then the clutch bite point in terms of pedal travel is going to be more or less the same as what it was with the single plate clutch. It's still going to bite relatively high up the pedal travel. So to solve this particular problem, there is no factory answer. And this is why I don't get the reluctance to seek a solution in the independent world. By my definition, an independent, a brand dedicated independent who devotes their entire working practice to one particular mark, is going to do things, design, evolve, improve things beyond a level which the franchise dealer could ever, and beyond a level which the factory could ever. The factory only worked on that car for a few years before putting it into production, and then as far as factory development is concerned, it stopped evolution. And the franchise dealer is simply a box fitter. If something wears out or breaks, the franchise dealer will go to the shelf and get the replacement part. So in my definition, and whether this is in the Porsche, Ferrari, any marque world, and in the Aston world, if you are a brand specialist, you do things, evolve things to a level the factory can't. Brand specialists, independents that can't do anything like that, are really just an extension of the franchise dealer network, but at a cheaper cost. So I've come across this request before, and to achieve a different lower down bite pedal on the clutch, then we re-specify spacer, clutch position, and tailor the clutch for that individual request. But in his search to stay factory and dealer, then this particular poster is never going to experience that. Everybody by now knows that on the Sport Shift car, the lightweight flywheel and twin plate clutch is the no-brainer upgrade. It makes gear selections faster yet smoother, pull away smoother, and longevity is significantly improved. Yet on a related matter, here's a post from an independent specialist stating that, in my experience, Astons like to have genuine bits. Well, what experience was that? I know myself that if you gave that guy a clutch and a set of spanners, then he couldn't put the clutch in the car. He never designed the component, yet somehow he's now able to advise owners. This is an example of a specialist not really being a specialist in the true definition that I said earlier, where the specialist can do things that the factory or dealership never could do. And this is a good example of that specialist just being a cheaper alternative and an extension to the franchise dealer network. So instead of going on a forum somewhere, stating what your problem is, asking for a solution, but then only wanting to stay within the franchise dealer network, that's all not going to work. And you need to go to an independent specialist, and a specialist that fulfills that full definition that I explained earlier. Hope you like that forum chat. See you in the next one.